Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2007 Mazda BT50, stock number 6555. This ran from 11th 2006 to the 9th 2011. It has a WEAT 3 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, front door mirror, front bonnet no dents, left front door no dents, left rear door 3 dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 5 dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre, right front headlight, right front door carve, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket Sony touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,